Hey, boy, nah, fuck you, boy, you a hoe. You a hoe, boy. Hey, you a hoe, boy. You a hoe, boy. And you still on his back. Get off that nigga, man.
Did you give him space? How you feel? What if he got a back? What if he got a back?
Hey, you a hoe ass nigga, boy.
He put in the turn right. I seen that shit.
Man, this hoe ass nigga just ran this nigga over, bro. The laws just ran this nigga over, bro. And now he on his back. Bro, you a hoe ass nigga, boy. Fuck that. Say, bro, y'all blocking the road, nigga. Boy, you out of line, boy. Bro, the cop, it's right here. Say, bro, y'all just ran this man over, bro. And the man still sitting on his back. That's fucked up, mama. That's fucked. I just seen, hey, Pop. That nigga's a hoe, bro. That boy smashed that boy, bro.
Hey, he talked to me over here?
Bro, come.
Hey, talk to me over here. Let's go. Yeah,
bro, that boy smashed that boy, man. All right, I'm talking about smashed him with the car, bro. From right here, look, from right here, nigga, he smashed him right here, bro.
His whole bumper and shit.
Smashed him, then lost control. Look at this fucking cop car, bro. Way the fuck over there, bro. That boy a hoe, man. That boy a hoe. Then he come hop out. The nigga damn near dead, nigga. You gonna hop on the nigga back, put your knee out in his neck. Come on, bro. That nigga's a hoe, bro. And that's your brother, nigga. Man, that's some hoe ass shit. Hey, Pop. Hey, let me holler at you, bro. Hey, come, let me holler. Hey, bro. Hey, listen. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. I feel you. But listen, buddy, chill. Right. Hey, bro. Your boy right here, out of fucking line, bro. The nigga smashed the nigga with the car, bro. Right here, dog. Ran the nigga over, bro. You see where he hit him. Look where his bike at. This way he hit him.
We got the camera gonna show it.
Bro, now look where his car hit. The nigga lost control, bro.
All right. Just.
And then hop on his neck. It wasn't even that serious, bro. Trying to be Captain Save a hoe around this hoe, man. Come on, bro. Don't let that badge do you like that. They ain't got no love for us, bro. You gonna get in trouble, nigga. Then fuck yourself off like that old fool ass boy. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. That's fucked up, bro. Then drugged the nigga. And you still on top of him. Let that nigga breathe, bro. He can't go nowhere. He can't even get up. Get off that nigga. Let him breathe, bro. You done ran the nigga over with 4 tires, nigga. Hoe ass nigga, man. Hoe ass nigga, dog. You need to get up off of him. Man, this boy done smashed this man, bro, on this bike, bro. Done smashed him, bro. He hit the nigga right here. Bro. Look where I'm at. We on Bissonnette. We on 9700. He hit the nigga right here. Look where his bike at. Look where his bike way the fuck over here. Look how he lost control. Look where his car at. Look where his car. He lost control. His car way the fuck over there. Hoe ass nigga.
She needs to leave.
They fucked him up.
And it had to be a nigga. At least it could have been somebody else, bro. It had to be a nigga, bro. Fuck some shit up like that. Smashed him, bro. 4 tires. Ran over the boy. Still on top of him. Got cuffs on his hand like he gonna run away. Hey, chill, mama. Hey, chill. Somebody calm her down, bro. Somebody calm her down for she end up going to jail for no reason, bro. Somebody calm her down, bro. And, bro, I know you from somewhere. Your boy out of line, bro. Your boy gonna get it.
Our supervisor's about to be here. You want to talk to him?
Bro, that nigga smashed this boy, man, with 4 tires. Look where his truck at, bro. Smashed him and everybody seen it. That nigga lucky to be alive. He lucky he's still breathing right now. He should be dead. That nigga right there should be dead, bro.
Police car, total in the front.
He should be dead. He shouldn't be breathing, bro. And that's fucked up, man. And it had to be a brother, bro. We don't need that kind of shit out here, dog. You know what I'm saying? They want these hoe ass white boys do that hoe ass shit. We don't need no nigga that do no hoe ass shit like that.
Hit him and he hit this and his car went all over the overpass right there. Hit that side.
Nigga, look where his car, bro, look where his car at, bro. Look where he hit him, bro.
He hit him back here. Back here. Look at his bumper. Look at his bumper.
All right, what happened?
Hey,
He hit him, ran him over.
He hit him all the way up from back here.
he don't need to talk to that nigga. That nigga smashed him, bro. Don't try to fix your story. Don't try to fix your story. Fuck you, boy. Cause a nigga popping wheelies. A nigga gotta get ran over by a motherfucking police car cause he on the street popping wheelies. Boy. Boy, it's live out here. We live. That's fucked up, Pop. That's fucked up, Pop.
I know the boy. I had him in school.
He from here.
I know him. He knows me by my name. I know the sister, but I don't know what happened.
Bro, the nigga was riding a dirt bike on the street. Hoe ass cop being a hoe ass cop, seen him on a dirt bike and thought, let me chase him down. He chased him down and he ran the nigga over. Bottom line, he chased him down, hit him on the bike.
Do me a favor, back up a little bit so I can get the ambulance in here, okay?
Oh my
Just let me get the ambulance in here. Let me get the ambulance.
Yeah, don't stand behind these horses, mama. Damn, boy. That boy shouldn't even be alive right now, bro. That nigga shouldn't even be alive right now, bro. All behind the you ride a dirt bike, you gotta get ran over by the cops. If I ride a dirt bike, I'm gonna get ran over.
He slowed down right here. He didn't know he slowed down. I don't know if he was talking to his partner, and he just kept going.
Man, the nigga ran him over, point blank, period. Hit that boy. Ain't no slowing down, none of that. He hit that nigga, man. He wanted to hit that nigga. That's a dirt bike. Now you out here looking crazy, bro. Trying to be Captain Save-A-Ho around this bitch. Out here looking stupid. Behind a dirt bike, bro. He act like that nigga robbed a bank or something, man. Look at this man, bro. Just because he run and ride a dirt bike, he gotta look like this? Man, we on Bissonnette. We on Bissonnette and Kirkwood. We on the west. We on Bissonnette and Kirkwood, man, and it's going down. It's going down, bro. Look at the nigga. Look at the nigga. The nigga with the glasses. Had to be a hoe ass nigga to do some hoe ass shit like that, bro. Ran the nigga over, man. That nigga ran him over. Nigga ran him over, hit that boy. Whole truck, boop, boop, boop. Chasing the bike, bro, cause the nigga popping wheelies though. You feel me?
All you have to do is slow down.
Nah, he don't know what he gonna do with himself. It ain't even. Hold on. Don't get yourself in no jam. Hey, don't get yourself in no jam, bro. Hold on. We gonna talk to him. Hey, bro. Hey.
Talk to you in a second, get all your information and everything, but give us a second. If y'all are agitated, man, it's gonna call.
Everybody has to tell you, nigga just ran him over, bro.
But hey,
It's crazy. Bro, I seen everything, bro. The nigga basically, come on, the nigga was trying to be Captain Save him, bro. Saw a nigga popping willies. It ain't that serious, bro. He popping willies. Drive slow with your lights on. You gonna catch him eventually. That nigga flying down this hole like he in a Maserati, bro. Boom, hit that boy. All folk, the nigga hit him way over there, bro. Wait, put a dent in the motherfucker in the thing, bro. And look where his truck at. That's crazy.
So it did happen right here?
Bro, in the drop right there. Where his bumper. So this how far he drug him. So he hit him right there.
It was right there when he hit him.
He hit him right there. So this how far he drugged the nigga, bro.
And then look,
You feel me?
He lost control. Look at the street. Look where he went. Hit him into there and he drug him and then went that way.
Y'all gotta get that contact.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Bro, don't be one of them niggas, bro. I know you, bro. Don't be one of them niggas, bro.
I understand.
Don't be one of them niggas, bro.
Then put his knee all in his neck and his back. He was doing too much.
And that's why we got pissed off. The nigga dead damn near on the sidewalk, and you jumping on his back, putting your knee in him, throwing handcuffs on the nigga. He can't move.
What you jumping on him for?
Niggas like him shouldn't be no laws, bro. It's fucked up. Take that nigga badge and his gun, give him a desk job. Bitch ass nigga, man.
If we get arrested for hitting motherfuckers, he needs to go to jail. Damn it.
You're supposed to give him a distance, bro. You can't just hit him. It's like he's
We all saw the whole thing.
He saw the whole thing.
So,
We seen him when he was going this way. He busted you. Man, that's fucking.
he thought he was gonna turn inside here. He
He lost control.
man, bro, he lost control after he hit that boy.
He hit him, drug him from back there all the way over here, and then went down.
When he hit him, the right
Tire marks over here.
That's he lost control.
Hold on.
He drugged this bike from back there all the way over there.
under the
I don't know how he alive to be honest with you.
That boy got an angel. He got an angel, cause he got hit, boy.
He never stopped. He never slowed down. Nothing.
He almost ran him completely over if he didn't lose control and go that way.
He did run him
He
over.
did run that nigga over. Nigga, what you talking about? Almost.
He ran him over.
The fuck?
Man, that's fucked up. But that's fucked up. And that boy popped the window for us. He did.
And he popped the
window for us.
The nigga just, it's Sunday, bro.
It's like you fucking with us on a horse. We ain't bothering nobody, man. We just ride. He just passed us and came back and ran through it. Just like this.
I don't even know how my bitch ass finna get back up here. No, I need the bed of a truck to get back on this whole ass nigga. Man, I done smoked all my cigarettes, man. I done smoked all my cigarettes, man.
Breathe.
JJ. Which one? The Taurus? Yeah.
That's wild, bro.
What are you guys doing
We were just riding, bro. In Texas.
You see? Just having fun. Just having fun riding on Sunday, man. We didn't want no trouble.
Everybody out here.
That is messed up.
Everybody out here.
Like, come on, man. It just happened just like that. That man could have died.
Nah, he's supposed to be dead, bro. He's supposed to be dead, bro. Ain't no way nigga survive nothing like that, bro.
Y'all got the video happening.
We ain't got the video what happened,
Saw
but
everything.
Y'all saw what happened on this.
saw everything.
Saw everything.
Saw everything.
VIP center.
Whole ass loud. Being a whole ass doing too much, trying to be Captain Save. He ain't have to do that. And his partner, he hopped out the car. He didn't even want to step up there. Like he knew, boy, you fucked up, boy. You know what I'm saying? He didn't want to. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy. That's crazy. He could have took his life. Whoever was riding with him.
Exactly.
Not just the bike,
Nigga got ran over, man, by the Laos, man. For everybody that's just tuning in. The Laos man hit the nigga right here. Look where we at. We at the food town on Bissonnette, across from the City Trends. The Laos man hit the nigga on the bike right here. Y'all see it, bump on the sidewalk. Bust them up right here. What's up, baby? What's going down?
Hey, I ain't seen you.
You know, same old nigga. But yeah, man, he hit the nigga right here, then drugged the nigga way over here.
So as he's trying to slow down to pull over,
Drugged the nigga way over here up under the car. All right, then he lost control. Hey, come on.
they pull up on the way.
Look. Hey, hold this boy for me. Then he lose control. And look at this car. He way the fuck over here. He smashed this boy.
That's who hit him over there. That's who hit him.
Nah, that nigga gone.
Where? That's the cop car that hit him.
That's the cop car that hit him.
Over there. Don't make no goddamn sense.
So look, he hit him way the fuck over there. His car way the fuck over there, dog. Huh? I just got the aftermath. I ain't get what happened. Oh yeah, I'm on live. Yeah, it's gonna say Rashad. R-A-S-H-A-A-D. Yeah, that's me, the first one. Yeah, these boys out of line, bro. Old girl ended up going to jail, man. She don't chill out. They taking that boy, man, that's wild. That's wild. What's up, bro?
Hey, bro, can you just move on this side of the hedge because we're about to crime scene take this entire thing so that we can start investigating everything. We're waiting for the investigators to come out here because we're going to go up to the holes.
What y'all going to investigate, bro? Like,
The whole thing. Look, here's the thing. I'm just a patrol dude. I'm going to let the investigators do their thing. I let them know. They don't come out here. They won't handle business. That's the best of my ability. Whatever I know, I'm going to tell you. Okay? My job right now is to keep everybody cool. I don't need things to escalate out here. Whatever happened has happened, all right? I just want to make sure we do it the right way.
Right.
You got me?
I got you,
all right,
bro.
If you won't mind handing on this side of the hedge. Are these your horses right
Yeah,
here?
these mine.
Yeah, if y'all want to just, you can park right here. I don't mind.
Okay.
You got a crime scene tape.
I got you. Don't. Yeah, all this shit from his car, bro.
This whole tire. When that came from, that's part of the
Crime
that
scene.
came from hitting his car.
Man, nigga got smashed on the bike. Out here popping wheelies and shit. Nigga, the loud man felt like he was gonna chase the nigga down and bust the nigga up right here. Ran him smooth over, drug him to the tree. That tree really what saved him, because you see the bike got caught on the tree.
Yeah. How the police car end up way over there?
Because he lost control after he hit him. He kept driving. His foot stayed on the gas or something. He ain't never hit the brakes.
He all right. What to do then?
The dude walking around here somewhere, he probably got scared. He knew he fucked up. And once he fucked up, he smashed that hole like he was stuck.
What to do? Oh, you got to move your home.
He was stuck. He just left in the ambulance. I got you, bro. I got you. Man, that's sweet. All right, here. Let me, hey, pull that nigga up. Pull him up a little bit. Pull him up a little bit. That nigga put a kick in it. Get your ass up, boy. It's some wild shit, bro. It's some wild shit. Look, they still on dirt. Look, them niggas don't give a fuck. They still out here on the dirt bikes. Hey, them niggas bold in a bitch. They still out here on the dirt bikes. Like, bitch, fuck y'all.
They gonna catch them. They look ready.
Yeah, look. He finna make an example out of one of them niggas. Niggas gotta chill. Yeah, that nigga hit that nigga hill. That boy end up way over there. Way over there. I need to zoom in. Way over there, bro. And look where his car is. Way over there. Got you, bro.